Good afternoon. My name is Colby Vokey. I am a criminal defense attorney. I'm based in Dallas, Texas. And all I do is criminal defense and mostly federal and predominantly military cases that I do. So I do criminal defense cases across the country, sometimes across the world. I've been in practice for a long time. 20, 30 years, a long time. And I first became involved with the Trial Lawyers College in 2005. So I was in the Marine Corps at the time, and I was the first military attorney to go through a Trial Lawyers College course. I started then in 2005. I saw something incredibly valuable in what was going on in Trial Lawyers College and became heavily involved. I went to the 3-week college. I got a lot of other military attorneys to go through the course as well, different courses. And in 2011, I joined the faculty of Trial Lawyers College, and I've been on faculty ever since. So one of the courses I've had the privilege of teaching at is this one, the In Defense of the Damned. And we've got that coming up this year in Montgomery, Alabama from July 10th to July 17th. And I got to tell you, I'm particularly excited about this year's In Defense of the Damned. We've never done it in Montgomery before, but we're going to the birthplace of civil rights. And given everything that's been going on for the last several years, we've had race has been the forefront of this country. It's a discussion point. And we as criminal defense attorneys sometimes represent people who are accused of horrible things. And many times they are people of color, disproportionately people of color. There's also criminal defense attorneys who represent people like the likes of George Floyd. But we also have criminal defense attorneys who have to defend Derek Chauvin, the police officer who was convicted of killing George Floyd. So these are all very difficult things. So In Defense of the Damned is aimed at those people who defend those charged with the most serious crimes. And what we do there is we help you identify what story it is that you want to tell and how you do that in trial. And again, we chose Montgomery because it's right there at the heart of the civil rights movement. And given what's been going on for the last 2 years, we thought it was a perfect forum to gather together to discuss our methods. And as a bonus, we're also going to get to go to the Legacy Museum, which we're particularly excited about. So what you can expect when you get to In Defense of the Damned is we're going to go through kind of the basis of what we do. You do a little something called psychodrama, getting to know yourself better and learning the techniques that we use in Trial Lawyers College. So we will work with trained psychodramatists who are going to aid you in identifying with feelings and stories, and then learning to discover the story of your own case. Now, you already know the facts of the case. That's not what we're here to tell you about. You can read that yourself. It is taking the facts of your case and figuring out what story it is that you want to tell in trial. And then we're going to work on specific trial skills as well. We're going to work on opening statements. We're going to work on voir dire. We'll work on cross-examination and closing arguments. So we're going to use the techniques from Trial Lawyers College in those specific skill sets and work on your cases. So you'll get the opportunity to bring your own case there to In Defense of the Damned, and you'll get to work on your own case with a group of other defense lawyers similarly minded, similarly situated, and we can all work on it together.